South by Southwest earlier in March and I met a team from a really cool fintech startup. Fintech is financial technology for those who aren't like super deep into the startup world, but I'm going to talk about their service, which is called 𝐂𝐒𝐒, and how it could help you make more money as a streamer. It's got some potential, so we'll see what happens. What's up, streamers? It's ashnichrist and welcome back to my channel where I teach you to pursue your dreams and learn to stream. If that's something you're interested in doing, hit that big red subscribe button down below. You're gonna get 4 videos from me every week about all the things that you need to know to have the just best, prettiest, most beautiful stream that you've ever streamed. So what is 𝐂𝐒𝐒? 𝐂𝐒𝐒 is an amazing service that helps you get paid from your supporters extremely quickly. The process is so fast and easy that it puts Streamlabs and PayPal just complete shame. The experience from a tipper's perspective is honestly amazing. It is so fast, it takes 3 clicks to tip someone. If you guys want to try it out, there's a link for it down below. Just go try it out. I'll wait, don't worry. So when I tried it at South by, I was really impressed and super excited about it. After I looked a little more into it, I'm not completely sure how I feel, so let me know how you guys feel about this process down below in the comments so we can kind of figure this new thing out together. So here are some reasons why I'm not too sure about this. The first thing is like, yes, it's super easy. People can throw dollars at you all day and it's awesome, but your supporters aren't charged right away. What happens is they have to wait until the end of the month and then they get a summary email of all of the charges that they had throughout the month. Now, if you're kind of a trigger-happy tipper, this could be really good for you because it's a really authentic and genuine way for a content creator to get paid, and it helps you control that spending. As a content creator, you might see all these dollars coming at you and get really, really excited, and then maybe people don't follow through at the end of the month. Because the thing with tippers in content creation is that they want it fast and easy, right? Like they throw $1 here, they throw $1 there, and they don't really notice it. But if they have this big amount at the end of the month, that is very noticeable. And your supporters might not have that initial excitement still, like days or weeks later whenever they're actually having to pay the bill, so they may not want to follow through with that payment. Who knows? The second thing that kind of weirds me out is that the money is sent to PayPal, not your bank account. You don't have the option to add a bank account. And 𝐂𝐒𝐒 takes 10%, which isn't like an astronomical number, but if that money has 10% taken out and is then deposited to PayPal, is PayPal gonna take a cut too? I'm not really sure. I mean, if it does, you have to ask yourself, does the benefits of using 𝐂𝐒𝐒 outweigh the cheapness of just using PayPal? I don't know. Now, the team did tell me that they plan on partnering with sponsors to push that number from 90% up to above 100%, and so their commission would actually be from the sponsors and not from the supporters. And they're looking at bringing more sponsorship opportunities to people that use 𝐂𝐒𝐒. But that's not the current system, and that system may not be implemented in the future. We don't really know yet, but I mean, it sounds like a cool idea. But I'm still a little unsure at this point what 𝐂𝐒𝐒 is going to do that PayPal can't, aside from it just being like way easier and way faster. I just want to figure out what it's gonna be like from a content creator's perspective before I fully like endorse this and give you guys my hey, go for it. Now, if you don't want to wait for my hey, go for it, there's a link down below that's going to help you set up your own 𝐂𝐒𝐒 account. I do get like a kickback from that, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys leave that. So if you're a creator yourself, leave that one. If you just want to support the content, I would very much appreciate that too. And there's that link down below as well. They're both like marked so you can figure out which friggin' link you're clicking, right? And I'll make sure to make a second video and keep you all posted so we see if my theories are right or if they really have something here. I'm super interested to see what happens. So thank you so much for checking this video out. Make sure that you hit subscribe down below for more streaming videos from me, and click a video on the right to keep on watching. I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye! 𝐂𝐒𝐒.